girl, Rich Soul, back at you again. And today, y'all, we just celebrating it up, huh? Xena Grubz had 3K. Congrats, sweetheart. Congratulations. And me being monetized again on my channel. So I'm excited about that. I'm like, okay. Whoo, that 4K though. I miss those old YouTube days, but hey, I appreciate on being monetized again. So I reached my hours, and thanks to you guys. Well, let me get started into this challenge because I'm starving. So we have the 3 triple whammy challenge. You have to have 15 wings, 3 sauces, 3 different sauces, 5 wings a piece. So I have the sweet Asian, sweet chili, honey barbecue, and some lemon pepper wings, some ranch dressing. So you have 12 minutes to do this challenge. Let me get on my timer because it's lunchtime and I'm hungry. All right, so there's my 12 minutes because I don't have nowhere to quite sit it. Yeah, because I'm trying to get more close up. People like, oh, get close up. So, hey. All right. So, all right, y'all. Time starts now. All right. Woo. Time to grub. Hot. So y'all just hear a beat when it goes on. This thing's fresh. Mm. I love sweet chili. Sweet chili. Sweet chili wings. Still got some steam coming off of it. Man, I love sweet chili. It's the bomb. I haven't had that in a minute. Whew. Golly, this bad boy is big. This one is huge, y'all. There's a few huge ones. Oh. I need to get my ranch dressing ready for that. Ooh, there's a lot of wings. Time for the ranch dressing. Going down the wrong pipe. Ain't nothing like lemon pepper wings. They just got a good taste to them. Some more Sprite. Ooh, that Sprite good. These boys are big, y'all. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me again. One hop this time. I don't think I ever ate these many wings in my life. I should have said all flats. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can hear that dog or not. If so, I'm sorry. New neighbors upstairs. Just got the door open. I'm at the window wide open, and the dog is just constantly barking. So annoying. Some people just think about themselves. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, I'm about to break my teeth off with that one. Woo! Lord of mercy. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, Lord. Hey, y'all be quiet. I don't even start. I don't know why. That is so annoying, y'all. Notorious. Here, get a bone or something. That'll hush you up. Oh, boy. Notorious. I'm quiet. Oh, oh. Here. It was just one more valve. Well, almost gone. Are we getting too hyper? Mm. Ooh. Mm. Extended Grubz be grubbing. Mm-mm-mm. Well, there it is. Woo, see what my timer is. Mm. And honey, oh, there it is. This went out too. And you wanted me to do the 3 ramen noodle bowls? No, ma'am, I can't do that one. 3 bowls of ramen. She challenged me to. I said I represent her on this one. Because Lord knows I can't wait. I know I'm gonna make it past. There's too much sodium. them ramen noodles. Yeah, and be quiet. Yeah, so they got the dog hanging at the window. They're new neighbors. And knowing the dog gonna bark at every little thing that walk past or drive by or whatever, so it's disturbing us. You know, apartment walls are thin. So I'm like, let me call the office because they gonna have to check that out. Ooh, excuse me. Well, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Again, congrats to Extending Grubz. I wish you more family members. And until next time, peace and love.